The moment where I bought my parents a car.
Cool.
I think there was a lot of things that happened in that particular moment where I was just hit. I was just like, oh my God, I didn't expect to feel this way. I did, but then like, one of the moments was I'm not very close to my brother, or as much as I would like to, and because he was kind of like the black sheep in the family, and yeah, and so we never really aligned on anything because I was like, my parents and we're just focused on like my sister who was like winning pageants and like doing all this stuff, and then me like who thinks he's Usher and like, you know what I'm saying? It's like, okay, and then my brother didn't really have like a particular like skill set or whatever, and he was actually the one that put it in motion, and he was like, yo, we should, you should do this for mom and dad and so forth. But I remember when we surprised with the car keys, I looked at my brother, and mind you, he's like 6'4" and like the meanest person ever, and
Okay.
I've never seen him like have like another emotion but that, and like you know what I'm saying? And so I looked at my brother, and he was crying, and he was trying to hold it, and then it just busted out. And so at that moment, it got me because it was like, yeah, because I did this with my brother. I won't take all the credit, but I did it with my brother, and it had a moment with me and him that I've never had in my 31 years.
Wow.
Yeah, and then of course just paying back, to giving that to my mom and my dad, like it was like, oh my gosh.
Strong, yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
and that would be the moment.